Hello, Bhumika. Welcome to the recorded class, and this is the March 31, 2005 recorded class. So how about we start by reviewing our letters? So we have met a lot of letters for this quarter, and we have 5 of them. But first, we're going to circle pictures that begin with that letter. So I have pictures here that we need to match to the letter on the left side of our screen. So we have what letter? This is the letter G. The lowercase g has the g sound. So what are the pictures that we need to check for? We need a picture for the letter G sound. So how about lamp? Can we circle for lamp? Does it begin with letter G? No, that is for L. So let's not circle that one. We have to mark an X. What about ghost? Ghost. Does ghost begin with letter G? Yes, the ghost begins with letter G. We get to circle that. What about zebra? Zebra. Does it begin with letter G? No, it begins with letter Z. It doesn't have the g sound, but the z sound that begins with Z. What about here? This is the letter Y. And Y has what sound? The y sound, letter Y. So yarn begins with letter Y. We can circle this one. What about lamp? Just like a while ago, the lamp begins with the letter L sound. We don't circle, we mark an X. Now, what about this snack? This one helps your tummy. That is the yogurt. So the yogurt is good for you. It is healthy. Yogurt begins with letter Y. Y sound. Yes, let's circle yogurt. So again, these are the pictures that we answered. For letter G, we have the ghost. It begins with G. For letter Y, the things that begin with Y, we have the yarn, where we can use it for making a sweater or socks or mittens. Y is also for a healthy snack, the yogurt. Let's move to another set. This time we have the things that begin with the letter Q. Q sound Q. So let's find a picture showing Q things beginning with Q. Fork doesn't begin with Q. That is for F. So let's mark an X. How about quilt? A quilt is like a blanket. It is thick, and you can use it to cover yourself when you feel cold. The quilt begins with Q. Let's circle. The partner of the king. This one is our queen. Does queen begin with Q? Yes, we have to circle. Q sound, letter Q. Queen also begins with Q. Now, how about for our letter here? This is letter P. P sound P. Now, how about for the pictures that go in P? P, letter P. P is for the pizza. We can circle this. Pizza is a kind of snack. You can eat it. Pizza begins with P. Another picture. Can we circle for pig? Pig begins with P. Yes, P sound, letter P. Now, what about violin? Violin, does it begin with P? No, it's for letter V. V sound. Let's mark an X. Violin doesn't begin with P. So here we have Q for quilt and Q for queen. P is for the pizza and the pig. Now that we're done with that set, let's move on to the last set, and this is for the letter J. So J has the J sound. We have letter J here. What are the pictures that we need to circle for J? Jam. Jam is what we put in the bread to make jam sandwich, to make it sweet. J is for jam. How about the milk? Milk. You drink the milk to make your bones strong and healthy. Milk doesn't begin with J, it's for M. Now, what about jar? You can put things in a jar, put food in a jar. Jar. Jar begins with J, so let's circle this one. Okay. If you answered with me, good job for you. Now, we will proceed to the next part of our lesson. We need to also do our numbers. So last time, last Friday, we did the numbers 0 to 5. Now, we will continue on to the other numbers that you will see here The next number that we will do is the number 6. So here we get to put the pictures showing 6. So how about we check for the dice? We have to mark and count. Let's see what's the dots here. Does it show 6? Did you count? How about we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. Let's put it here, number 6. How about our sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliding down, and another stick that makes 6. So is it 6? Yes, let's put this one here. This shows 6. How about in the dominoes? How many circles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 as well. Let's put it inside for number 6. Is the puppy showing number 6? Yes, it's showing 6. How about the dots in the frame? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This also shows 6. How about our sticks here? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliding down, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's too much. That shows 8. We do not put it in number 6. That's a different number. How about our dogs here with the bone? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That shows 6. So we will put it here. It shows 6. What about for this set? How many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That shows only 8, not 6. So now we already moved all the pictures showing 6 inside our big frame number 6. Now, since we're done with this number, what's the next number? It is the number 7. We get to do number 7, and let's check. Where are the pictures showing 7? Let's start with the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That doesn't show 7. That is 6. What about this set of sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6 and 7. That shows number 7. Let's put it here. What about the puppy showing the frames? How many dots do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That shows 7. Let's put it here. What about this puppy? Is it showing 7 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oops, that's different. That shows 6. Let's leave it there. Is this showing 7? Yes, we get to put it there. How about the dots in the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one shows 7. Let's put it here. How about another set? This time the dominoes. Does it show 7 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 also. Let's put it here. And the last one, the dogs with the pencils. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, remember when we do counting, if we are not sure of our pictures, we get to mark and count so that we can count properly. Let's erase this one. Now let me ask you, we're done with 6, we're done with 7. What's the next number? It will be number 8. So let's go to number 8 and let us count for our dots in the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's different. It's showing 7. How about this one? Is this 8? Yes, that's number 8. How about this one? We will check for the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 also. That doesn't show 8. What about for our dog here? Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one shows 8. Let's paste it. How about the next set? The dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are showing 8. 8 dogs. How about our dots in the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also 8. So we have number 8. here. And look, we have all our pictures showing number 8. Now, we're done with this set. Let's jump to another one. After 8, it's our number. Let's see. It's number 9. So we get to do our number 9 on the screen here. So let's count first using our marker on the screen. Let's count for the dogs. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That shows 8, not our number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is number 9. Let's paste it. This is 9. Okay, how about for our dog? Is it showing 9? Yes. How about the dots in the domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That shows 9. Let's put it here. How about our dog showing the dots? Let's check if it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8, not 9. How about the dogs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That shows 9. Let's paste it here. How about the dots in the frame? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one shows 9. Let's paste it. And how about the last one? Is the counting sticks for 9? Let us see. And let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sliding down. 6, 7, 8, 9. That shows 9. We will put this one here in the frame. So we have all our pictures showing 9. So if you answered with me on the screen here, good job for you. But for the next part of our class, how about let's do our work time? The first page that we are going to do is to trace and write for letter Y, and you get to cut, to paste, and to color your pictures. Now, may I remind you, you get to color first because if you cut and if you paste and then the last part will be for coloring, you'll end up having a hole in your work. So you better color it first, okay? Before you cut and you paste. So here, for my work, I get to color also the pictures. I have the yarn, I have the yam, I have the jellyfish, the yak, and also the yo-yo. And for tracing my letter Y, remember a V in the air, a pole to hold it there. This is your capital letter Y. So for your work, try to follow the lines. And as you can see, I am doing spacing. After every letter, you get to do space. We have capital Y, lowercase y. Slide down like a yo-yo. I get to make lowercase y. Okay. Now, for your pictures, you get to pay. So, I have yarn begins with Y. Yam begins with Y. But what about jellyfish? Jellyfish doesn't go in Y, so I will put it there. But yak. Yak begins with Y. What about yo-yo? Yo-yo begins with Y. So these are the things that you need to paste. And remember, try to color properly on your work there. Try not to get out of the line. So we have all our pictures showing letter Y. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's jump to the next part, and that is to look for the pictures beginning with Y. You have to look at each picture, then read the words in the boxes below it, and you get to color the word that correctly names the picture. So if you have your crayon, choose one only, choose your favorite color, you get to color the right word. So yak, yak begins with letter Y, yak. Yen, yen begins with letter Y. The yak has Y-A-K, yak. When you spell out yen, Y-E-N, yen. Remember, a yen is a kind of money. This one is the coin for yen. How about yum? Yum is when you When you're eating your favorite snack, you say yum. Y-U-M. This one is yum. Now, what about yes? In the word yes, it has a sound in the middle. Yes. This is yes. What about yam? A sound. Yam. And the last one, yell. This is yell. Okay, we're done already with our Y words. And if you're finished with this work, good job. But again, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll move on to the next work, and that is to cut and paste our pictures in the boxes. Now, let us first write the letters that we need to remember. So, we had 5 a while ago in our screen work. Let me write the capital letter. Let's start with the letter G. So, capital G, go around and go in. Capital G. Lowercase g, go around, up, line down with a hook. That's lowercase g. Next, how about the one with the J sound, letter J? So let's do J. Line down with a hook and add a hat, capital J. Lowercase j, line down with a hook, add a jelly bean on top. Okay, so we're done with G, we're done with J. What about a letter with a P sound, like what you see in penguin, in pancake, in picture? That's for letter P. Let's do capital P. Line down. A big pizza to the side. Lowercase p. A line down. And make also the pancake on the side. Now, after letter P, what's the next letter in our alphabet? If I sing it, I start with the letter L, M, N, O, P, Q. So our letter will be letter Q. How about for the Q sound, Q, capital Q, go around and stop. Make the tail on its side, capital Q. Lowercase q, go around, up, line down. Don't forget there is a flick at the end. Sometimes you don't need to add the flick, but I added it here. Lowercase q is done. Now the last letter, the letter with the y sound found in the word yolk, yellow, and yo-yo. It's the letter Y. So let's do capital Y. V in the air and a pole to hold it there. Capital Y, lowercase y. Line down, go back up, slide down, like a yo-yo going down. Now we get to paste the pictures. First one has the G sound, letter G. So what's the picture that needs to go in G? There should be 2 pictures. Gate begins with G. We open the gate. Another one, a kind of animal. This one is a big ape. It's the gorilla. Gorilla begins with G. Let's put it here. Okay, what about our J? J sound. Jam begins with J. What else begins with J? Oh, it is this one. He is using a jump rope. Jump rope begins with J. Or it is also jump. How about another one? After letter J, we have the P. So what pictures can we put for P? P is for pineapple. And what else? Will it be quarter? Will it be quick or paint? Paint begins with P. Now, after P, Q, Q sound, what are the pictures that we need to paste? Will it be yell or will it be quarter? Quarter goes in Q. It's a kind of coin. What else can we put in Q? This one is yellow, and quick. When you need to be fast, it should be quick here in letter Q. And the last 2 pictures, we get to put yell and yellow. So now that we have all our pictures here and you did the writing as well on your work, good job for you. But if you're not yet done, try to check if we have the same work. Pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next work? We're done with this one. We get to also do our numbers. So please, we get to mark and count if we are having a hard time, remember? So how about we start with the first cutout? Let's count for the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does this go in number 6? No, it shows 7. It's another number. Next, 1, 2. That's the 2 counting sticks, different, not number 6. How about the blocks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we get to paste. This is 6. How about this one? Is this showing number 6? Yes, that is 6. How about our counting sticks? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. And number 6. That shows 6. Let's paste it. How about the fingers? Is it showing 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more, that makes 6. This is 6. How about the dots? Let's check if it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, if it's full in the frame, that's going to be 10 already. So we do not need to place it in 6, but here in a different number. And the last one, SIX, does that spell out 6? Yes, the word 6 is spelled that way. So this one, we have 6. If you're not yet done, pause the video. But if you are done, we are going to move to the next page. After 6, remember, it's going to be number 7. So let's do 7. Is this 7? Yes, it shows 7. How about this one? How many dots in the dice? Only one. It's a different number. How about for our fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one shows 7. Let's paste it here. Is this the word 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. Yes, let's paste it. How about our blocks? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. That shows number 7. Okay, next, how many dots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A different number that shows 9. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8, a different number. But the frame, does it show 7 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this one shows 7. So now we're done with this one. If you are not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But I'll move on to this part, and this is number 8. So we will go to 8. Does this show the word 8? Spells out 8? Yes, E-I-G-H-T. That is 8. Is this for 8? No, this is the word 6. How about the counting sticks? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6, 7, 8. This is the number 8. So let's paste it here. This one shows 8. Number 8. What about the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one shows 8. How about for this one? Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one shows 8. How about the last one? The last two pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one shows 10, a different number. And how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. That shows 3. So that's a different number. Now that we are done with it, the last page that you need to work on is the number 7 or 9? 9. So let's see. The hands are not showing any fingers. That shows 0. So this goes in the other box. Does this spell out 9? N-I-N-E. Yes. How about our sticks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sliding down. That's number 10. That's a different number. Is this number 9? Yes, that's number 9. Let's put it here. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Let's put it here. How about our fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. How about our dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is 9. And the last one, the boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for a different number. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. But if you're not yet done, you have to check also what we have here if we have the same work. Now, let's go to the next page because the last one will be for you to have your sticker friends. So I chose the princesses for you, Yumika, and all of these sticker friends will be for you. And I will see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.